Whether you are a UX designer, UI designer, product designer, or a graphic designer, your portfolio plays a very important role in getting new clients, impressing new clients, and landing future jobs. It's extremely important to showcase your design talent and creative talent in a great manner. Hi, this is Manisha Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel and another video of portfolio guidance. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is the best platform to build your portfolio and to showcase your portfolio. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Whether you are a UX designer, UI designer, and if you have just started out, then I would suggest you to build your portfolio and showcase your portfolio on this platform. And this platform is Behance. This platform is free to use and really easy to use. And I personally use this platform. This platform is really amazing. I'll give you few reasons why you should consider this platform and why this platform is amazing to build your portfolio and getting new opportunities, new clients, and landing your future job. So stick till the end of this video to know why you should consider this platform. As I mentioned, this platform is free to use. This platform is really easy to use and their interface is really amazing, smooth and easy. You can give name to your projects or creatives and describe your projects or creatives in a description box, what this project is all about, what this creative is all about, and what software you have used in this creative. You can mention that as well. Another feature I really love about this platform is that this platform is SEO based platform. Like अगर मैंने कोई illustration बनाई है स्कूल से related and मैंने अपने project को नाम दिया है school illustration, class illustration, and if someone is searching for a school illustration, then there are chances कि मेरी illustration उसे show हो जाएगी, या कोई keyword डाल रहा है स्कूल से related, there are chances that मेरी illustration उसे show हो जाएगी whether the person has mentioned illustration or not. Then there are chances कि मेरा creative work उसे show होगा, and it's great when your work is seen by others and appreciated by others. So I really love about this platform. You can get inspired from others and you can inspire others as well. Another feature I really love about this platform is that you can follow other creative people as well. So if you like someone's work and you always feel inspired by their work, what they create, what kind of color combinations they use, what kind of fonts they use, you always feel inspired by seeing their work. So you can actually follow them so that you don't miss their creative work, you don't miss your inspiration. You can actually have a conversation with that creative person over that platform. You can talk to them, you can have a chit chat, you can follow each other on other social media platform as well. And if you don't, you can follow each other on Behance and can have a conversation over there. That is one of that feature I really appreciate. And another feature I really love about this platform is quite similar to the previous one. If you like someone's work and if you want to save that work for your next future project, then you can actually save that project in your mood boards. You can create your different mood boards, like I want to create a mood board for my illustration parts. अगर कोई मुझे illustration पसंद आ रही है and I want to save it, that illustration for color combination or for some get ideas in my next project, then I can save that project in my mood board so that I don't have to search or scroll down a lot कि मुझे वो illustration ढूंढनी है या उससे quite similar जो मुझे अब यूज़ करनी है. So I can save that illustration in mood board for my future reference or my future project. Now moving to the next, another great feature I totally love this platform is that along with your portfolio, you can actually build your resume. You can showcase your what kind of experiences you have in creative field. You can mention your volunteer experience, you can mention your job experience, you can mention your education, your projects you have done, what kind of projects you are looking, what kind of services you can provide, your social links you can mention at this place. This place is like a resume, and if you share this single link with any employer or recruiter, they will be able to see your resume and your portfolio side by side, and that is the great feature. I totally love this. So if you have mentioned everything about you in your resume over this platform, then you can apply it to their job portal. This website has their own job portal where you can find new opportunities, new clients, and your future job. On their job portal, you will find remote opportunities, in office opportunities, freelancing opportunities. So you can utilize this platform in a good manner, in a great manner to attract clients. And I think this is one of the best platform because in this platform you are not just building your portfolio, you are building your resume, and at the same time you are attracting new clients and getting new opportunities. Also, if you show your portfolio in a great manner, then there are chances that an employer or a recruiter might directly contact you, because ये मेरे साथ हो चुका, and that is why I'm suggesting you to build your portfolio and resume on this website, and you will totally love this website as much as I love. So that is all from my side, and I hope you have a new learning from this video. And do let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this platform? What platform do you use to build your portfolio and to showcase your portfolio? I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.